Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Hey Siri not working on iPhone in iOS 16.6. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Disable and re-enable Siri. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Siri and Search. Turn off listen for Hey Siri. Then go back setting page. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Shutdown. Now slider to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Go back setting page. Tap Siri and Search. Turn on listen for Hey Siri. Solution number 2. Check your Siri language. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Siri and Search. Tap language. Select your country language. Solution number 3. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. Scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset all settings in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 4. Turn off low power mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap battery. Turn off low power mode. Solution number 5. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. Tap software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Thanks for watching this video.